Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. So let's take a look at Defiance week over week. So just from looking at in the totals, so it looks like Defiance in aggregate is down about 567. Not down, but like they're at 567 million, which is still kind of in line with what they had from last week. So everything seems to be okay. So again, nothing too exciting here. So let's take a look at the individual guys. So in case you're new, like near the top, this shows you like the kind of like the market value as of a particular date, and then you see like the breakdowns down here, and then over here you see like a further breakdown of like on the per share basis. So you see it by treasuries, options, and cash. So IWMY, so started off at 167 million from last week, with a per share price of 14.56. So unfortunately, they kind of dipped down a little bit to 14.05, and then you have a total market value of 161. So hopefully they can do better next week. And then with JEPY, so you have 125 million from last week, and then 15,083 cents per share. And then, okay, so they improved a little bit, so up to like $16 per share, and then the market value was 127 million, so a little bit of an improvement there. So let's take a look at QQQY, so 245 million and $14.56 per share. And then, so okay, so this is like a more of a modest increase, so 1459 and 252 million. So let's take a look at SPYT. So SPYT, I've noticed like the share count has been increasing a bit. So hopefully it won't get damaged too bad in terms of like per share. So last week was 1957, and now it's at 18 million. And then you see like the increase in like the market value to 22 million, and then it's 1980. So Trez started last week at 3 million, $16.90, and now basically flat, and then for market value, and then a slight uptick in like the per share basis. Then you see USOY, the new guy, so 2 million, $19.18. So in terms of like per share, it dipped a little bit, but not too bad considering like oil went down a little bit. Let's just take a look at to see if there's any interesting discounts. So let's just slide this over and then slide this guy over. Okay, so it wasn't really much of a discount for IWMY. Let's take a look at JEPY to see if anything. Yeah, so again, not much of a discount. In fact, it's actually traded at a small premium. Yeah, same thing for QQQY, and then probably the same thing for SPYT. Yep, and they're all kind of almost in like the same proportion as well. So it's pretty interesting. Like Trez also traded at a small discount, a small premium, so no discounts at all. And then USOY, even USOY didn't trade at much of a discount, unfortunately. But oh well. Anyway, hope everyone has a great rest of the weekend. Hope people can like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.